one advisory has been prepared. This has been prepared in consultation with church authorities. So I will just briefly mention to you some of the points. First of all, we advise that no pilgrim or tourist brings any baggage with them. Any big baggage will not be allowed inside the venue. Any flammable things like tobacco, cigarettes, these are not allowed inside the church complex. Any other kind of intoxicant is strictly not allowed anywhere inside the church complex and also not around the church complex. No metal items, sharp-edged items will be allowed inside the church complex. Tourists and pilgrims are allowed to carry their mobiles. However, they have to ensure that these mobiles are switched off when they enter inside the church complex. These are the advisories which are a detailed note I will share with you. You may use your medium to spread them to public. However, as you are aware that any security event is a dynamic event, so we will be, depending on the threat perception or developing situations, if there is a need to change some of these advisories, we will be changing them and sharing it with you so that communication happens with the public. Thank you.
So even
cameras are not allowed inside the church. Photography church has said that they won't allow any photographs to be taken inside. Yes, thank you.
So is there any special arrangement for uniforms?
Sorry?
Uniform?
Yes, security unit, I think because they will be inside the venue, they will be in a better position to brief you. For the district police, all my personnel will be in our police uniform. Thank you. One important thing which we would want to communicate to you is that sufficient number of plainclothes persons have been deployed all around the venue, because previously there were complaints of pickpocketing and other thefts. So usko rokne ke liye we have deployed large number of plainclothes personnel in addition to uniform staff. Special branch has also put in their people to collect information about all such persons. However, I would through your medium request that the public should be alert and it should be careful with their belongings because that will help us in ensuring that minimum or no such incident happens during this exposition.